This graphic illustrates that when the spin axis is vertical at the equator, the rate of tilt is 15 degrees per hour. When the spin axis is vertical at the poles, the rate of tilt is 0 degrees per hour. It is also shown earlier that if the spin axis is horizontal at the equator, the rate of tilt is 0 degrees per hour. From this, we can deduce the formula for tilting. The formula for tilting is 15 degrees cosine latitude sine theta degrees per hour. In this regard, theta is 90 degrees when the axis is vertical or pointing east or west at the equator, and is 0 degrees when pointing north or south or is horizontal at the equator. We have now derived formulae for drifting and tilting. This drifting and tilting of the spin axis must be compensated for, controlling the gyroscope.